A toy in the form of cone mounted on a hemisphere of same diameter. అంటే ఈ సేమ్ డయామీటర్ మీద ఏంటది కోన్ ఉందన్నాడు. మౌంటెడ్ అంటే కోన్ ఫిక్స్ అయింది అని. ద డయామీటర్ ఆఫ్ ద బేస్ అండ్ హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద కోన్ ఆర్ 6 centimeter and 4 centimeter. హియర్ డయామీటర్ 6 centimeter. ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడ దాకా 6 centimeter. అండ్ హైట్ ఎంత అన్నాడు రెస్పెక్టివ్లీ. హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద కోన్ ఈజ్ 4 centimeter అన్నాడు. హైట్ 4 centimeter, diameter 6 centimeter. Total surface area of toy is equal to ఈ మొత్తం టాయ్ మొత్తం టోటల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా అంటే పై కోన్ యొక్క లేటరల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా ప్లస్ కింద ఈ హెమిస్ఫియర్ యొక్క లేటరల్ సర్ఫేస్ ఏరియా. హెమిస్ఫియర్ కాబట్టి బాటంలో 5r² ఉంటుంది, మళ్ళీ ఇంకో 5r² ఉంటుంది. అదే స్పియర్ అయితే 4 5r² ఉంటాయి. అది ఇది హాఫ్ కాబట్టి 2 πr². And the total surface area of toy is equal to totally, that is above 5rl, below middle 5r² and bottom 5r², 2 πr². Here I have taken out πr as common. That's why πr of l plus 2r. What is here? Here πr common. L is remaining. Here 2r common. Πr common means 2r is left of here. If you substitute pi is equal to circumference by diameter, circumference 22 and diameter 7. Into r is given diameter 6 means 3. Then L we don't know. That's why I have left half L plus 2 into r. 2 3s are 6. Therefore L is, what is that L? Here diameter 3 and height is 6. Then we will have to find this hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is slant height. L, that is L. L is equal to under root of this is L is equal to nothing but hypotenuse. This is r and h squares are sides. Under root of side square plus side square, that is Pythagorean formula. That's here it is substituted like L, slant height. It is like a hypotenuse. And if you get under root of 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 25, and that is 5. And generally we will get to 3, 4 and 5 are the triplet of the trigonometry. 3, 4, 5 and 3, 4, 5. Another one is 6, 8, 10. Another one 7, 24, 23. And that way trigonometry triplets are formed. Here total surface area of toy is equal to, after getting L, you replace the L with 5, then you will get the answer of 103.4 cm square. Cm square means area. Next question. A solid is in the form of right circular cylinder. Right circular cylinder means it stands vertically but not into slant way. That's why it is given right. If hemisphere is in the bottom, hemisphere is in the bottom, and hemisphere means half sphere. Half sphere means Ardagodam. At one end, at one cone at one end. At one end cone at another end. Here above cone, below hemisphere. Don't tag of the common base is and the height of the cylindrical and conical are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Don't tag which common base is 8 centimeter. Radius of common base, this is the base for hemisphere, for this is the base for core. Here cylindrical 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter, where is it? 10 centimeter here and 10 centimeters here and 6 centimeter respectively means and first what is given? First cylinder is given. Cylinder యొక్క base 10 centimeters and cone యొక్క base are height. Cylinder యొక్క height 10 centimeters and cone height 6 cm. Here I have given 6 8. Totally TSA of pi is equal to CSA of curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. It is pi RL. The curved surface area of the cone is equal to pi RL, and the lateral surface area of the cylinder is equal to curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi r. This circle has 2 pi r circumference, 2 pi r, and height is h. Then it has become into 2 pi r h. 2 pi r is breadth and h is the length. H is the length. Length into breadth is equal to, we can know that the area of the rectangular, area of the rectangular circle is there, that is 2 pi r. 2 pi r means that is 2 pi r is nothing but a breadth. Here h is nothing but a length. Length into breadth. Length into breadth means 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. L into b. That is the, we know that the area of the rectangle is equal to, area of the rectangle is length to breadth. 2 pi r is breadth and height is length. So it has become 2 pi r h. Bottom here 1 pi r square here bottom, and middle another pi r square. It is 2 pi r square. The curved surface area of hemisphere is equal to 2 pi r square. Don't drag. TSA of pi is equal to pi RL plus 2 pi r h plus bottom 2 pi r square. The total curved surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. Here half hemisphere means hemi means half. Hemi or semi, 2 pi r square. So I have taken out pi r as common. Pi r in here pi r, here also pi r. Pi r is, if we take out, L is remained here, L, and here pi r is taken out, 2h is remaining, 2h, L plus 2h plus here 2r is retained by leaving pi r. Then we substitute this to L is equal to 10 and 2 into height 10 plus 2 into r is equal to 8. Then if we get 22 by 7 into 46, we will get to, this is the answer, 1156.5 centimeter square is the answer. Next, DSC of the capsule. It is a capsule. Here you might have found that here dimension in the form of cone diameter 12 meters. In the parameters are given in the meters. Parameters are given in the meters. Diameter 12 meters and height 8 meters. Find its volume. How much canvas cloth required to cover the heap? While if it is a raining, what should you do for tenants? Tenants cover the whole rice with canvas cloth. Then so that it avoids getting wet by the rain. That's why this is volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square. If you substitute these values, we will get to 301.4 cube. Volume parameter is, you will have to say in cube, cm cubes this is. Then we will have to find this, you know that this value. We will have to cover this whole heap rice with canvas cloth. That's why you will have to find CSF, curved surface area of the cone, you should know. That's why you will have to find curved surface area is equal to pi r. We don't know L. We know pi is equal to 22 by 7 and r is equal to L. Here I have blanked L and later I have found below L is equal to L is nothing but a hypotenuse, and r square plus r square are side square plus side square. Under root of side square plus side square is equal to under root of 6 square plus 8 square. Here we get under root of 100, then we will have to 10. If you substitute these values, we will get to 188.4 cm square. That is the answer which you have to know. It is, I have told in an easy way by making common as the purpose of you learning easily. Here also I have taken pi r. Here also I have taken 2 pi r. Here I have also taken pi r. You must and should learn by using a common rule for learning these mensuration problems. Those are very, very easy. All materials have 2 or more pages for solving these problems. Here I have made these all formulas within 9 steps by taking just 3 minutes for every problem. That is why you will have to learn the easy way. These are the enough for getting 6 marks. Easily for 6 steps, 6 marks you will get. Don't bother about it. You will have to learn first. Understand the subject and use it properly. Then maths would be very, very easy. Make a friendship with maths and learn properly.